This is Anton with Tax Law Offices. We're going to talk real quick about whether you did or do qualify for that employee retention tax credit. Just two very short notes on it. Let's get started. All right, like I said, I'm Anton, Tax Law Offices. We did an earlier video on that employee retention tax credit, and we'll put a link to it. We'll put a link to it just up above me. This is a short video on whether you qualify. I'm talking to those self-employed people that they were their only employee and applied for the credit. Why? Because so many people were promoting that you could get this tax credit for tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Well, here's a hard and fast rule. If you're self-employed and you were the only employee, that credit is not meant for your situation. And what that really means is that the IRS, if they audit you or when they audit you, they're going to make a determination that you are not eligible for that credit and are going to want you to pay that back. Just want to kind of help you cut through the anxiety of it all. What are they looking at? Well, that's probably what they're looking at and looking for. So I just want to set your expectations so that you know what to do. Now, this is an important part, though. The government is going to consider whether you knew or should have known that you were not eligible for the credit. We're talking about how they penalize you. Now, you can avoid the penalty by saying and showing that you didn't know and then you relied on other people. You know, you relied on the accountants, you relied on whoever promoted that credit and helped you get it. And be able to show that in writing, because that's going to be the best way that you protect yourself from a penalty. And the penalties can add up. I don't know how much your credit may have been, but the penalties are either going to be 20% or 75%. Either way, tends to be a lot of money. So, all right, that's the quick note. I'm Anton with Tax Law Offices. Be careful out there. And if you need some help with defending one of these employee retention tax credit audits, reach out to your tax attorney. Yeah, well, sure, we do that kind of work too. But I'm saying reach out to someone that you feel like you can trust, because this may not be a do-it-yourselfer. You may need some real help. All right. I hope you liked the video. If you like the content, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to us. We've got a lot more of these. This is Anton, Tax Law Offices. Thanks again.